Hi everyone, welcome back to another Pips Pastry Shop video. My name is Preston, and because it's citrus season right now, I decided why don't we make orange caramel chocolates? So let's go ahead and get on started.
The first thing we're going to do is bring 100 grams of heavy cream and the zest of one orange to a boil. Once boiling, take it off the heat. Next, we will cook 50 grams of sugar to a dark amber color. Then mix the caramel with the infused cream. Weigh the caramel and add more cream until reaching a weight of 150 grams. Mix this all together and then bring it to a simmer. This will help melt any lumps of sugar that might have formed when mixing in the cream. Off heat, add 150 grams of chopped milk chocolate, stirring until fully melted and emulsified. Keep mixing until you don't see any streaks of color and the chocolate is completely melted. This will result in a smooth ganache filling. To set the filling, you will need to place a 15 cm square pastry frame atop a silpat mat. Then pour the ganache into the pastry frame and tap the tray a few times to pop out any big air bubbles. We don't have to worry too much about the smaller bubbles, as the filling will be completely enrobed in chocolate, thus hiding any bubbles. Then let the ganache set in the frame at room temperature overnight. After the ganache is set, remove it from the frame and square off the 4 edges. Next, cut the ganache into 2 by 2.5 centimeter rectangles. Now I should have spread a thin layer of tempered chocolate over the ganache after removing it from the frame. This would have allowed me to more easily cut the rectangles, but I forgot to do so. So if you're making this at home, make sure to apply some tempered chocolate onto the ganache, and then you won't have to peel the rectangles off of your knife like I'm having to do right now. After cutting the ganache into the bite-sized pieces, temper 200 grams of milk chocolate. I did this by melting the chocolate and then cooling it on and off an ice bath to 84 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Once the chocolate is tempered, place a piece of the ganache into the bowl, ensuring it is fully enrobed in chocolate before placing it on a silpat mat. In order to give the chocolates a more refined look, I placed a 3 cm long piece of plastic straw on top at a diagonal. These will then be removed once the chocolate is fully set. I continued this process until all the ganache pieces were covered in chocolate. Once this is all finished, place the chocolates into the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes for the chocolate to set. Then you can remove the straws and clean up any excess chocolate from the base of each one. And here's the final result.
And here they are, the orange caramel chocolates. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the Pips Pastry Shop channel for more how-to videos. Also, if you would like exclusive content, such as step-by-step recipes, please visit my Patreon page at patreon.com/pipspastryshop. I'll also put a link in the description box below. Until next time, bye guys.